After an incredible stay in Bangkok's Chinatown, it was time for us to move into our new home, right here in the heart of Sukhumvit, Bangkok. This is the place we come back to every year, the one that feels just right. Steps from the city's best food, secure, modern, and designed for the digital nomad lifestyle we love. Inside, it's bright, comfortable, and surprisingly spacious. But what you really won't believe are the amenities. From a massive co-working space to a full gym with steam rooms and locker access, and a pool deck that looks straight out of a resort. And the best part, the price. Wait until you see how little all of this actually costs to live in the center of Bangkok. Welcome to Sukhumvit 15 Residences. This is one of our favorite places to stay in the entire world. The location here can absolutely not be beat. It's a 7-minute walk from Terminal 21. Before we go inside, let's take a look at what this apartment complex has to offer even outside of the residences. We'll start off with a 7-Eleven. If you're unfamiliar with 7-Eleven in Thailand, 7-Eleven is where you can get absolutely everything. It's your grocery store. It's your bodega, where you can go and get my favorite ham and cheese toasty. You can get anything that you could ever need at a grocery store here at the 7-Eleven, and it's just right downstairs. Then just across from the 7-Eleven, we've got a really nice massage parlor. You can get a really cheap, great massage for only 300 Thai baht. Great deal, and it's, again, just downstairs. Just right around the corner, there's a laundromat where you can get all of your laundry needs done. They do wash and fold. They also have washers and dryers. Then around the corner from there is our favorite restaurant in the entire building. It's a Korean barbecue spot. The Korean barbecue place has a great happy hour. If you go, it's 199 Thai baht for all you can eat. Steal of a deal. All in all, you've got everything that you could ever need. It's like a compound. You never have to actually leave. Now let's head on in and I'll show you the lobby. Security here is top notch. There's a security guard on site on both sides of this garage area 24/7. Also, in order to get in, you need this card. In order to get into the lobby area, you can also use this card, a face scan, or your fingerprint. Very high tech. This is the lobby area where you walk into, where you check in, where you get registered to scan your face and your fingerprint, so you're all locked in and able to access everything that this apartment complex has to offer. It's really nice little space to be able to cool down. The AC is always on blast, so if you just need to cool down after you've been outside all day, this is a nice place to do that. And there's also high-speed Wi-Fi down here, so you can just chill, relax, and surf the web. Now, let's head on upstairs to our apartment. In order to get up there, you have to have this card. So let's go on up to the 7th floor. Welcome to our apartment here in Bangkok, Thailand. Let us give you a little tour. Come on in. Right when you walk in, you walk right into the kitchen. The kitchen is the perfect size for us. This kitchen is equipped with everything that you could possibly need and more. We've got all of the different dishes and pots and pans that you'll ever need. We've got lots of mugs and cups. We've got a nice big refrigerator, which is super nice, with a freezer as well. We've got 2 stovetops. We don't cook very often while we're here in Bangkok, but it's nice to have just in case we want to heat something up. We also have a microwave, which is very well used thanks to our leftovers. And you even got a washer, which is super nice. This is what I mean by a little extra something in the kitchen. Doesn't have a dryer, but things tend to dry fast out here in Bangkok. And then just to the left, you've got this really nice big closet area. The closet area is absolutely ideal for us. You've got a nice big area where you can hang all of your clothes. And then on the other side, you've got a place where you can just fold your clothes and put it all there. What's really nice is that there's just so much storage here in this studio apartment. There's a cubby for literally everything that you have, and I love it. It keeps all the clutter away. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Welcome to our bathroom. I love our bathroom. First off, the shower. Come on, guys. The shower is amazing. You know, I love a good separation from the shower and the toilet, and it absolutely does have that. This apartment also comes fully equipped with shampoo, conditioner, soap, everything that you need. Really appreciate that a lot. There's also tons of counter space to be able to put all of the stuff that we need. For me, it's a lot of my facial care stuff. I feel very organized in this bathroom. It's everything that I have has a place. Really makes me feel like I'm locked in at home. And I also really appreciate the big, huge mirror that we've got here. This mirror, you're not gonna miss much. I really appreciate it. Here, you can see your whole body. It's amazing. Now, the moment you all have been waiting for, let's go check out the bedroom. Welcome to our bedroom. This is obviously a studio apartment, so it is 1 unit, not a 1 bedroom. However, the divider that I just walked through really makes this studio feel like it's a 1 bedroom apartment. First, let's do a bed test. Oh yeah. Oh, you guys, this is what dreams are made of right here. Super high quality mattress. I am going to give this a 9.2. A 9.2, it's comfy, it's cozy. The mattress is stellar. The bed is a queen size bed. In addition to the bed being so comfy and cozy, we have nightstands on either side of the bed with 2 drawers in each nightstand. We also have a really great plug-in situation where we've got plugs on either side. The Wi-Fi speed is so fast. Bangkok absolutely kills it with internet speed, and this apartment complex has some of the fastest internet we have had in all of our travels. And just across from the bed, you've got the TV. So the TV is actually a smart TV. You've got everything that you could possibly ever want. They have Netflix, they have YouTube, they have Amazon Prime. Everything that you watch at home, you can watch right here. The cost of this apartment studio is all inclusive with all electricity, water, and everything. So right under the TV, we've actually got a little desk situation going on over here. We've got a chair which we can pop right underneath it. We've also got a nice little cubby area and a couple of drawers, so lots of storage. And I do love how they have optimized the small amount of space to really allow for you to be able to plug in and work, to be able to relax, and to be able to eat and lounge. All right, now let's go check out our dining room. Welcome to our dining room. I love this area. This is where we eat every single night. Love that it's got a nice little couch. I feel like I'm in a nice little booth in a restaurant, and then you've got another chair on that side as well. This apartment is really modular to be able to optimize this space for you to be able to really make it your own, and we absolutely do. So we've got a desk over there, we've got a dining room over here. It really doesn't even feel like a studio in a lot of ways, including the sliding door that divides the bedroom from the kitchen and the bathroom. Another great thing about this place is the amount of natural light that comes. So in addition to the big mirrors, we've also got some really big windows right here. So it's nice to be able to open up the curtains, let all the natural light in. We very rarely use the actual lights here unless it's at night. The view isn't all that great. We're overlooking a hotel. However, the natural light is all you need when you're ready to wake up bright and early in the morning. Sometimes we'll even see our neighbors right across the way. Just the other night, we waved to them as we were all eating dinner. It was actually kind of funny and cute. Overall, this space is our favorite. It is the perfect space for us to be able to come in, recharge, relax, eat dinner, and just hang out. It is the perfect size for us as well. So not only is this studio apartment absolutely unreal, this apartment complex comes with a bunch of amenities that makes this apartment really go to that next level. So let's go check it out. All right, so just right out here in the atrium area, we've got a nice little Zen pool. You cannot swim in this pool. However, it's a really nice area that is open to the outside. We're gonna go check out the co-working space, which is on the same floor that our apartment is on. So now we're gonna show you the co-working space that comes with this entire apartment. This is where we work every single day. It's awesome. It's called the Clubhouse. There's also a meeting room in here as well. So let's go check it out. Welcome to the co-working space. This area is open to anyone who is staying here. This place is open from 8 a.m. until 11 p.m. So this is a really nice place to be able to come here to work, to chill, to kind of hang out. It's just another space to be able to come outside of your apartment and have a nice place where you've got fast Wi-Fi. We've got lounge areas, we've got desktops, we've got books, we've got libraries. It's pretty amazing to be able to have this space. You also have a kids playpen area for those families who live in this complex as well. The other cool space that's in here is the meeting room. So if you have a meeting, you can actually reserve the meeting room for your team to be able to have whiteboards, to be able to just kind of check in. Sometimes Jonathan and I actually rent it out just so we have that full space to be able to talk and not bother the other people in here. Overall, this is just a really fantastic place to be able to work, lock in. Now we're gonna go show you upstairs. That's another space that we hit up every day. So before we go into the gym, I'm gonna take you inside the women's locker room to show you the other amenities that we love to enjoy every day out here. What's nice is that you've got a sauna, which is so nice. Keep that body nice and sweaty. You've also got some nice showers to be able to rinse off if you don't want to go all the way to your apartment. You've got lockers, and you've also even got a steam room. This is my favorite part of the locker room, hands down. For John on the male side, it's the same layout, but unfortunately for John, the sauna and the steam room are both not working, so he's not able to participate in his normal routine of hitting the gym and then hitting in the sauna right afterward. Hopefully they'll get it fixed soon, but in the ladies' room, everything works just dandy. All right, now let's go check out the gym. Welcome to the gym. Let's go inside. Ah, it's so nice and cool in here. So this is the entrance to the gym. Got multiple rooms. Let's take you into the first side room over here. Welcome to the yoga studio. I love this room specifically. I use this room a lot, especially when I'm doing yoga, Pilates, or anything else like that. It's a nice area to be able to stretch. It's away from the weights in the gyms and all of the cardio and whatnot. People can rent it out and actually host classes. There are no official classes here in this room specifically, but it is really nice to be able to have another ancillary area to be able to just do your thing. All right, now let's go check out the main gym. Welcome to our beautiful gym. Jonathan and I use this place every single day, and I am so grateful that we have this in our apartment complex. Honestly, if we had to go elsewhere outside of our apartment complex to work out, I don't think we'd be in it as much as possible. But when it's in the apartment complex, just one floor up from your apartment, you literally have no excuse not to come here every single day. Our gym has everything you could ever want and more. It's got free weights, it's got weighted machines, you've got all the cardio machines you could ask for as well. You've got treadmills, bikes. I love the view outside as well. You're overlooking the city. This place is usually kind of empty. Don't know why, but usually when we come here, there's only one or two people like there is right now. So it's nice, it's not overcrowded, it's the perfect size. Let's take you to the last part of the gym, which is one of our favorites. Let's go check it out. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is where John and I like to have a little fun. We're not quite ready or in the mood to hit the gym yet. After a productive day of work, we'll come in here and we'll just pow, 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 pow. Our hand-eye coordination on point. This is a really fun area. I love this ping pong table. It's just a nice fun thing to be able to do. If you're not in the mood to work out, you can have a little bit of fun. Now let's head up to the pool. Welcome to the pool. How epic is this? This is one of our favorite spots in the entire apartment complex. You've got a beautiful pool that is cleaned every single day. You've got seating areas all over the deck, but the most epic part of this pool is the epic view that it comes with. What's really amazing about this floor is that you can really see how central this apartment complex really is. You can see hotels, buildings, other apartment complexes. We're really right in the center of all the action here in Bangkok. Jonathan and I love coming out here. This is kind of our place for peace and relaxation. We come out here on the weekends, we swim, we relax, we hang out, and I'm just so grateful that we have a place to be able to do that. One of our favorite things to do is come out here at night when there is no one here and the city is completely lit up with all of the bright lights that this beautiful city has. It's awesome. The skyline really lights up at night, and it's just a really peaceful zen moment that I'm really grateful we both get to have. Now let's go check out the other pool area because there's not just one pool, there are two pools. Here we are at the second area where you can find another pool. This is the kiddie pool. If you've got kids, this is your own little area to be able to safely have them swim and hang out. You've also got a whole different type of view over here of the city skyline. I absolutely love it. This side is facing the west, which is really nice. So if you're really trying to get your vitamin D, you've got sunshine pretty much all afternoon long, and you can watch the beautiful sunset go below the city skyline here in Bangkok. So that concludes the grand tour of our favorite apartment here in Bangkok, Thailand. This is a spot that we love to come back to over and over again, and I hope that you can see why. We love our little studio apartment, and we really, really appreciate all of the great things that this apartment complex comes with to be able to really lock in and just do our thing when we're here in Bangkok, Thailand. The price for this apartment per month is 30,000 Thai baht, which is this much in US dollars. We think it's a steal of a deal given all of the amenities that it comes with. We hope you enjoyed this tour of our apartment, and if you have any questions about living here in Bangkok, Thailand, apartments, amenities, anything at all, please let us know in the comments below. Shoot us a DM if you want to do it privately. We look forward to hearing from you, and we cannot wait to see you soon. See you on the next one, friends.